Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do the second layout for March 2022, Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And I am using this amazing kit called Fire Station 31, but I am not doing a Fire Station 31 layout. I'm going to do a layout about my son's truck that was in some advertising because he drives a far cooler car than I do. So let me show you the papers I'm concentrating on to start. Don't know where I'm going to go with it. I have this piece right here that reminds me of a truck toolbox and running boards and all the cool things. It is from P13 Free Spirit number 5. Then I have this piece right here by Reminisce, and it is called Barnwood Beauty. And I love this. I love this. I love all of the things. I love the broken windows. I love the scuffy scuffies. Next, I have this piece right here by Reminisce from Firefighter. It's called Hydrant. Love this piece, but I also want to use a nice wedge of this. Not sure where I'm going with it, but I know I'm going with it. So I should just chop it because I want to get some of this really great scuffy aqua in there. I should just do that, and that will help direct me. So we'll do that. You know, let's do that right now, so I can stop the thinking about it and stop going, oh, I hope when I cut it, I'll still have enough, you know, all that kind of thing that we do. I will just go ahead and chop it. So I have this much of this. Oh, that is a lot. And I have a lot of aqua, probably more than I needed. So I have both of those to play with. I'm going to bring in these P13 alphas, this American flag, and then finally, oh, I've got these really great sequins. Not sure where I'm going with that. And then the world's coolest acrylic pieces that will get on here. Now I do have other pieces in the kit, of course. I have cardstock and I have a cardstock cut. I have all kinds of cool things, but this is where I'm concentrating for now. And let me show you the photo. I did not take this photo. So it's my son's truck, and he has a neighbor that does like vehicle photography for cool things. And they put these nifty running boards on his truck and did this photography. I don't know what's nifty about them. I don't know why it's so cool, but apparently it's very cool. So that is the photo. The colors work great. This reminds me of cool truck things to da. So I've got a charcoal, red, and aqua extravaganza about to start. So what I want to do, let me move my goodies aside a little bit. I'm going to be matting my photo in that. I want to go ahead and cut this 11.5 by 11.5 and then gut this paper. I've got to map my photo roughly 3,000 times and figure out where this comes in. And I'll be right back. So check-in time, I did go ahead and decide to ink my edges. I've been scuffing so much, we decided to go inky, and I cut that slice of the fire hose rope and made a semicircle with it. No real reason why. I was just feeling it. And I'll put it about halfway. I think that'll be great. And then I went ahead and matted my photo in the same piece that we have here, a piece of the backside of it, which is black, and then a piece of that aqua, which is the backside of this. So I think that is going to be fab. And of course, I put that on some foam. I'm gonna go ahead and have my photo right about here-ish. Now I have to figure out what else I want to do. I am smitten with my stars. So these are definitely going to be taking some kind of very nice center triangle kind of stage. And I want to go ahead and ink in my flag. So I'm going to do that, do a little bit of brainstorming, and I'll be right back. So I have super big traction. I decided to go ahead and back these gorgeous acrylic stars with some of the scraps of this aqua paper. And I know I'm going to have them there-ish, but I really want to make a big splash with my sequins. So I'm thinking about creating a shelf under my photo with the sequins. So I'm going to do that next. I also have some of my packaging that is in about the same aqua. So I'm going to leave that there in case. Vibing the idea, not really sure where I'm going with it, but I saw it on my desk and I'm like, see how we feel. We're going to see what we're doing with it. So in the meantime, I'm going to get out an almost empty bottle of liquid adhesive and create a bit of a gloppy shelf underneath where my photo is supposed to be. So I will get almost done with it and then I'll show it to you. So I put a nice little glue shelf down and just gonna sprinkle my goodies right on, pack them in as much as possible. I love these flags. I think it is such a cool set of sequins. Set, pile, mix, etc. And I, of course, won't use all of them, but I'm going to squish down what I can, and it's going to be awesome. So squish, squish, squish. This is my fancy method to get a nice amount down, and they fall where they may. Clearly haphazard since we just piled them on. And that is going to be my sequin shelf. Now, let's see. Pile, pile. Oops, some are getting stuck to my adhesive where my photo has to go back on. Bit of a hazard. Guys, look at how awesome. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go back to thinking on how this is coming together. I decided to get into my packaging and I put one little tag there. I'm going to go ahead and tuck the next one here. I don't really know why. I just feel like it needs more stuff. And then I'm going to feel comfortable getting this awesome acrylic up top. Let me just put a little bit of foam beneath it because we've got a bit of a height differential. Differential? I don't know. Hopefully you know what I mean. So I want it like that. Let's go like this. Like this? Nope, that didn't help. I think I need just like a little bit, not even much, just a bit. And then we can go ahead and try to get this all attached down. And these are so cool, guys. All right, so it's kind of like that. I'll have that piece. Oh, might need one more. Like one more like stack of adhesive. There we go. Not a biggie. I like the chunky chunks. Okay, super awesome. Love that. Now down here, I am looking at getting this wood veneer flag into this little cluster. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, shouldn't it be so far over? So wood veneer flag cluster, as we talked about. And once again, I am so digging these acrylics. They kind of have become the star of the show for me, which is cool. Things usually present and show how awesome they are. So I have that there as well. And then over here, I'm gonna have the third star. And then at some point I need a title, I'm aware. And then everybody, I will go ahead and see if there's anything else from the other kits to see if I want to. Oh, some sequins will keep shimmying out. That's just how things go. And then I will see if there's anything else I want to tuck in, and then I will come up with a title. But I wanted to take you along and show you where things are going. Oh, this little guy's stuck right there. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing. I'll be back in a jiffy. Guys, I used the packaging for this piece, these hexies, and then the tag. And then I went into another one of our fab kits this month. I'm trying to get it. And used this stamp that reads beauty right here and stamped my label. Now, it would have been a lot smarter if I went ahead and did that before I did everything down, but you know, things don't always go that way. So it's not the best stamping, but it will definitely work. This is a little bit of twine from my stash, bringing in just a little bit of the black and white. And aside from, oh, I have got to fix that. Well, a little bit. It's like my little star is trying to escape. Aside from that, I'll probably sprinkle a couple of sequins in the other clusters and I will be calling this done. So this was really fun to do with a kit that was very fireman-esque. Is that a word? A very themed kit to go in a totally different theme, which is one of the things I like doing anyways. I always think it's a really fun challenge. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave still shots in just a moment. I'm gonna, put a couple sequins on. It's super boring to watch, so I will do that, and we will call this layout done. I'm just going to go ahead and tack down the ends of my twine, because if I do not, they will be absolutely everywhere. I'm gonna get the little guys to, look like they're flowing, look like they're flowing. Okay, so that will be that, my friends. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below, and I will have links for all of the info that you need for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, the website, the blog, and the Facebook group. So, still shots in just a moment, friends. Bye for now.